Always remember me this way. This one, you made me live. Always remember me. Mercy Siki for this song. So nice. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am Veronica, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I'm just go home early, so I have time for the channel of Mr. Bolton. This one. I want to sing this one.
Is your food still cooking?
I have already food.
Ah, okay.
Let's cook my food.
Choo-roo-choo-choo, choo-roo-choo-choo,
This one. Eh,
choo-choo-choo.
this one, this one. English song. I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and placed my man. It was a sign you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. Still recall the times I went through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You hold me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. Pita House Laundry. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. I am dancing, but sad no one can see. You will always there to lend a helping hand. When good friends were hard to find, when things went wrong, you made them right. You made my day so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Now look at me. Yes, a different me. Back on my feet again. Another word to face the world again. Cause you taught me how to be strong and make me live again. You made me live again. You made me live again. I am dancing but sad. No one can see. Oh my god.
Yeah, what to do? So
It's so very
sad.
sad. No one can see you. No one can see you. Hi, Ate Chi.
Like Veronica says, at least she can hear my voice, so that's good.
Mercy. Mercy Siki for this song. So nice. Clap, clap, clap.
Choo-roo-choo-choo,
This one. Power.
choo-roo-choo-choo.